Hi, I'm KeshavJadhav. Today, now I am presenting digital multimeter with the single unit cells. So, first of all, this digital multimeter we already discussed about that technical specification of digital multimeter. The make is HAOU DT830D digital multimeter. We already discussed technical specification one by one. But today we discuss how to test the single unit cells. First of all, this single unit cells means what? What is the definition of single unit cells? Single unit cells means what? It is the single unit cell is the single unit cell which chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. Okay, the number of single unit cells in market available, but it is application for the single unit cell is a small manufacturing electronics company. Regularly used can in our house clock, remote cells, DTH cells. Okay, DTH remote cells. Now we can use now. Okay, so first of all, today we test the how to test the single unit cells with the help of digital multimeter. So this is test probe. Red is connected to the red test probe is connected to the V terminal, and black test probe is connected to the common terminal. Okay, so this single unit cells, in your mind, what will be the voltage of single unit cell? Where is the application of single unit cells? Okay, so how many voltage will be shown in digital multimeter on this voltage? Okay, so today, so we this digital multimeter select as range is 20 volt. Okay, then this red test probe is connected to the one end of the single unit cell, and second black test probe is connected to the another terminal. So the voltage will be shown 1.58. Okay, so this single unit cell is a good voltage. Okay, we can use these single unit cells in any applications. Okay, but the single unit cells has a double A size MX1500 1.5 volt LR6 model. Now I have another single unit cells. This is the Duracells, but in manufacturing company, electronics company, we can use the Duracells is the brand. Okay, so Duracells, this is C size, model number is MN1400 1.5 volt LR14 model. So the same thing, red test probe is connected to the plus end, and black test probe is connected to the another end. Okay, the voltage will be shown 1.60. So 1.5 above, the voltage will be good. Okay, this single unit cells is good working condition. Now I have a Duracells, different types of Duracells. This is D size available, MN1300 and 1.5 volt LR20 model. So now this test probe we can use the higher potential plus end, and this is the black test probe is connected to the another end. So voltage will be shown. Now I have a Duracells D size make MN1300 1.5 volt LR20 single unit cells. How can I test now? So plus terminal connected to the red test probe, and black terminal connected to the another end. 1.60 voltage will be shown on digital multimeter. So this is the method of how to test the single unit cells with the help of this single unit cells. Voltage will be DC only, not in AC. Okay, so you should remember that. Thank you so much.